Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Spring 2024 is finally here, and with some nicer weather coming up, it's time for a new spring clothing haul. Friends of the channel, Mott Bow, have graciously sent over some of their top picks and new finds in their collection for spring 2024. So let's open them up and take a look at them. If you don't know about Mott Bow, they are one of the best online clothing companies around. You can check them out and shop now at the link at the top of the video description, and be sure to use our code DESIGNER10 to get 10% off your first order. So to start off, of course, we've got the classic Driggs tee, this time in a long sleeve variant and in black. We've tried on their short sleeve tees, and I own a bunch of them. They are incredible quality and very, very comfortable to wear. Today, I've actually got this Driggs tee paired with the all-new leisure pant from Mott Bow in a navy color. It's got a really nice 20% comfort stretch, which makes it excellent for everyday wear, whether you're working from home, running errands, or just hanging out. This is the kind of pant you can do literally just about anything in, and it's gonna be super comfortable. In addition to that black long sleeves crew Driggs, I also got a white long sleeve crew Driggs tee. Again, exactly the same as that first one. These long sleeve Driggs tees are made of 100% Peruvian combed cotton, so they are super comfortable and they fit really well. They're not too tight, they're not too loose, they fit perfectly though. I'm wearing a size medium in both. Next, let's take a look at the Twill Chino Charles pants. I have worn these before in a couple of different colors. These ones are the gray, and what can I say? They're Mott Bow's classic everyday chinos. They're super stretchy, just like all of their pants, all their denim products. They're made with 97% cotton. As you can see, they go great with the Driggs T-line, just as I'm pairing them up here. And by simply combining this look with something like a swacket, layering it up, these Mott Bow pieces are instantly ready for wear, not just at home and on the go or out on a date, but also even at the office. Adding just that little bit more makes them perfect for work wear, which is fantastic. And rounding off our unboxing today, our spring 2024 haul, are the Slim Wooster jeans. Mott Bow simply does the best denim in the business. I love their jeans. I wear them literally almost every day, and I own so many pairs of them. I refuse to wear any other type of jean but Mott Bow at this point. Now, these are a slim jean, but despite that slim fit, they actually have double the stretch of a normal pair of denim jeans thanks to Mott Bow's dynamic stretch material, which is excellent. They also come in a couple of different colors, so you can mix and match and find the pair that complements and matches your wardrobe the best. And once more, pairing these up with your Driggs tee and a jacket, a swacket, or a zip up, you're ready to head out to the office or go to something maybe a little bit more fancy than your everyday day-to-day. So guys, thanks for tuning in to our spring 2024 Mott Bow clothing haul. If you want to learn more about the brand or pick up anything you saw in the video, links to everything and their website will be down in the description. And again, be sure to use our code DESIGNER10. It's going to get you 10% off your order. Let me know what you guys thought about the outfits, about the pieces. Let's have a conversation as always down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you again soon in the next video.